Here we have some bulbs that were not connecting with each other. We're going to show you here. See this this male connector on the HID bulb was not connecting into the factory socket. Notice that when we took a female lead and tried to connect it, it wasn't going in. So easy fix for some of these. When they come from the manufacturer, they're doing this in a mass production kind of way, and you can see that the leads are not really straight and one's kind of crooked in. This is one that we've already adjusted. You can see that the leads are more straight. This one's a little bit crooked off to the side, so we can easily take some pliers and move that over. And if it doesn't fit in the connection, see, this is much better. You can just line them up. So you can see that the top one would slide in there. Probably a little bit better than the bottom one. And this is, I mean, it's a rare occurrence that something like this happens. Sometimes in batches this will happen, but it's an easy fix. See, just like that. And that's what makes a connection there. This one still looks like it needs to, looks like when it's going in, this inside piece is moving away a little. It's not, when we connect it, it is definitely getting in there. It's not pushing it out. So let's try this other one. So this is the one that we were, that one came in, that one's in there, but the other one's not. So it's trying to, it's not setting in there correctly, and you can see that because these are pushed in a little, and that one's slightly tilted. So what we're going to do is take some pliers. I'm just going to move it down a little from the top. And even if you have something that you can push in there to push them apart, just a little bit. You know, if you do it too much, then it's going to do that. See, now the pin's completely over. If you do that, then you're just going to have to take some pliers and move that back over. Just a little. Now we can see that'll fit in there. Yeah, look there. Just like that. So it's, you know, it's not a big deal. Sometimes when they don't connect, it's a little bit problematic. But easily just taking some pliers and moving it to where you need it to move, and then connect it in. Thank you.